Hi guys, good morning and a very warm welcome to this little brief story that I'm going to tell you, which is about my own life. What I'm going to share with you is my experience on why I did an executive MBA in the first place. And interestingly, today I'm on the other side where I'm teaching executive MBA. So I've been able to see this from both sides. So I thought it may be a great idea to just share my personal experience about why I did an executive MBA and why I think it's a very good idea to do so. So after spending about 15 years in the industry in senior management positions, I just felt some kind of a lack. I was operating completely from intuition. Yes, I handled managerial decisions extremely well and I got quick promotions, but there was something missing, which is that every time I was rediscovering myself and operating from an intuition. So then it occurred to me, is there a way in which I can bring a little more structure to my intuition and I can just kind of predict and take decisions in an informed manner. So is there a way I can do this? And that's when I chose to do an executive MBA, and I did my PG, what is now called as a PGPEM from IIMB. At that time, I didn't know that I'm going to be, on the other side as well at some point in time, and I'm going to be talking to executive MBA students and teaching them. And that's when I actually saw the other side of it and realized, using the classroom to sharpen the practicing managers is perhaps the best way one can do an MBA. Because as working professionals, you can take these learnings on a day-to-day basis and deploy it in your work, see whether it works or not. And as they say in the ancient Indian wisdom, in an executive MBA classroom, the learning is really two-way, So while the professors bring in their experiences, the students bring in their experiences, and what emerges out of that is absolutely a beautiful process of learning for practicing managers. And what is so unique about, say, the NMIMS Bangalore campus MBA, executive MBA, is we just don't focus only on how you sharpen your tools. We also give you a little more than that, which is how do we make you leaders? Because you've already traversed the path of being a manager and you're well poised to become a leader. So building all-round leadership skills through some very fine-tuned courses that are designed to make you better leaders. So there's managers and there's leaders, and if you want to straddle both, then according to me and my personal experience, executive MBA is the way to go. So I hope this gives you some perspective of my life experience and will help you decide which way to go. Be prepared to grab all the opportunities that life has to offer you and use this as a medium, use the classroom as a mechanism to sharpen your managerial practice and help you go further onto larger leadership roles. So looking forward to seeing you on the other side sometime soon. Good luck and Godspeed.